If you are a small creator and your views are stuck in the low hundreds, hell, maybe even lower than that, and you're thinking, this is pointless, nobody's watching, why keep going? Hang on until the end of this video and I guarantee you, you will feel better about your efforts and yourself and your future. I've been grinding on YouTube for 21 years on countless different channels. And most of my videos on this new channel, the one you're watching right now, are locked up since the algo changes in late 2025. And I'm telling you straight up, keep posting anyway. Most people quit right here, right before the real stuff starts. Let me explain why I'm still hitting upload and why you should too. You know the feeling, we all know the feeling. You spend hours filming, editing, obsessing over the title, the thumbnail, the description. You pour your thoughts into this video, you hit publish, and it barely cracks 100 views. Sometimes even less. And at that point, it's easy to spiral and say, what the fuck am I doing? Wasting my time doing this? Should I stop? You know, I've had that exact thought a bazillion times, but here I am, still consistent. And honestly, way more creators are in this quiet grind, more than are having this success. You know, we all fantasize about the fun part, the views exploding, comments flooding in, community growing, maybe even some recognition, and that's what gets sold. But for most of us, especially in niches like this, like personal branding, creator economy, second act stuff, the start and the middle is way quieter than you might suspect. And that's normal. Even the big names started out there, grinding through vids, vlogs, rants that didn't blow up. But frequent posting, relatable energy, it takes time for the algorithm to catch up and push it. Most of us don't get that rare fast start. We build slowly, steadily. Knowing that is why I keep going. Because I actually enjoy the whole damn process. Not just posting, I enjoy the planning, talking to the camera, editing, sharing it with the world. It fires me up, even if it's only a few hundred people. But that's real. That's 300 humans that chose to spend time with something that I created. You know, picture a small theater packed with your work, your video. That's insane, but that's what it is. However, online, we've convinced ourselves that anything under 6 or 7 figures is nobody. And that mindset kills the joy. And I've decided not to let it. Every video teaches something. Camera presence gets smoother, editing gets tighter, storytelling gets sharper. And the creators who look effortless now, well, they posted hundreds of clunky videos that we never saw. They were figuring it out, just like you. Stopping now means missing your own blow-up moment. You know, one day that consistency could make one video pop, and it will only happen because you didn't quit. You know, creating also levels us up. It makes real life better. You know, when I know that I'm filming, I get moving faster in the morning. It's fun to set up the space and create something. Filming also creates a positive vibe mentally. And it prevents, you know, doom scrolling, news feeds, or whatever it is that ruins the rest of the day. You know, making something is better than consuming something. And commitment to finishing it pushes better habits without forcing it. You know, it quietly turns you into a sharper, more disciplined version of yourself. Creating content lets you talk about what actually matters to you. And something I love in the process is that I get to know that it is helping others. Sharing thoughts on building a sustainable brand as a 40-something, 50-something creator, you know, avoiding burnout, using experience as an edge, even if one person watches and thinks, wow, man, I'm not alone, that's worth it. That connection matters. It's way more important than the numbers. So when people ask, why post when nobody watches? My honest answer is, the numbers aren't the main point. It's the process, the growth, the memories, the quiet connections, the skills, life getting better. Even in the slow season, you know, you're still the main character telling your story your way. Look, most creators bail in this exact phase. the quiet grind where views feel stuck and motivation dips, and they think, it didn't work, and they walk away. But the ones who stick it out, they look back and see that this was the foundation. Consistency builds trust with yourself, with the algorithm, with your audience. Retention improves. Signals strengthen. Things shift. Not magically, but because you showed up. And if you're feeling that itch to quit, pause. Just go ahead and post the next one. Keep it you. Keep it real. The views might stay pretty humble for a while, or they might not. Either way, you'll have something real, a body of work. You'll have better skills, a documented life, and proof you didn't fold when it got tough. That's the win. That actually matters. And if this resonates with you, drop a comment. What's one thing, big or small, that still keeps you hitting that upload button, even on the slow weeks? And I read them all. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Be sure to stay in the game.